In the previous videos, we have discussed about 1's complement subtraction case 1 and 2's complement subtraction case 1. So in this video, I am going to explain about 1's complement subtraction case 2. Case 2 is subtraction of larger number from the smaller number. Subtraction of larger number from the smaller number. That means S minus L. This is the case. Smaller number is called as minute and larger number is called as subtrahend. In this first step, so I will explain the steps along with one example. I am considering the same example which is 5 minus 10. I am considering the same example, that means same numbers which are considered in the previous two videos also. First, binary representation for this 5 is 0 1 0 1 and binary representation for this 10 is 1 0 1 0. This 5 is called as minute and this 10 is called as subtrahend. First step 1. Find out 1's complement for subtrahend. So here subtrahend is 1 0 1 0. This is the subtrahend. So 1's complement for 1 0 1 0 is 0 1 0 1. This is the 1's complement. Next, step 2. In step 2, add this 1's complement of subtrahend to minute. Here minute is 0 1 0 1 and this is the one's complement of subtrahend. I am adding these two numbers together. So add these two. 1 plus 1 0, carry of 1, 0 plus 0 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry of 1. Next 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1. So this is the second step. Step 3. Observe here, there is no carry in this case. No carry and result is in ones complement form. This is the third step. Next, step 4. Simply perform ones complement result, ones complement on the result in step 2 and put minus sign. This is the case. And if you observe here, this is the result in second case. This is the result in second case. Simply perform ones complement for this result. So ones complement for 1010 is 0101, which is nothing but 5 base of 10. And after find outing ones complement, simply put minus sign before that one, 0101 base of 2. So this is the final result we got. Simply observe here, step 1, find out ones complement for the subtrahend. Second step, add this ones complement of subtrahend to the minute. And the third step, you have to observe that there is no carry and the result is in 2's complement form. Next, in the final fourth step, simply perform ones complement on the result which we got in second step and put minus sign. This is the case 2 in 2's complement.